Hello, everyone. This is just a quick a video about the denotation and connotation assignment or quiz that is due. So when you go into click on the denotation and connotation, the thing that you're going to pop up is a video. So basically, watch the video. It's going to pretty much be self-explanatory about the difference between like positive connotation and negative, connotation, denotation. So you're going to be able to easily take the quiz on this. What I also would like for you to do is to watch the video on connotation and denotation before you complete that Edgar Allan Poe companion worksheet on Casca of Amontillado, because there is a question about connotation in there, and I think this video will help you with that. So, and I mentioned that in that video as well, but definitely watch that before taking the quiz, and then obviously before doing the assignment too. Also, when you are finished with this quiz, you are going to be doing this on Friday, then you are done for the week. So I do want to thank everyone for hanging in there for the past 2 weeks. And while I have not been in office and doing everything you can with your independent learning and making sure that you're getting all of your work done and catching up on anything that you need to catch up with in our English class. But I just do want to say thank you, and I will see you all on Monday the 15th, and we will be back in live session at 9:15 on Monday again. So I can't wait to tell you all about my trip, and I will see you guys then.